Beast here and welcome to our channel. Many of our subscribers asked us how to edit in FILMORA 9. So I bought this video specially for them. So if you also want to learn how to edit your videos in FILMORA 9, so watch this video till the end. So first open your FILMORA app, and if you want to download this FILMORA for free, there is a video of us, so go and check it, and the link of that video is in the description. So friends, the FILMORA gets open like this. This is the place where you import your videos. Like you want to edit some videos, so you'll import them. Example, I have some videos to edit, so you can whether double click on this and select the location of these videos, or also you can just drag these videos into this. So it is very simple to do this, and here you click on yes and you add your videos in sequence. Like if you want to edit this video first, you drag it over here. This you can select your settings here. I'll click on this, and here as you can see, this is the line of videos. Like if you want to keep more videos, you have to keep on above it, but you cannot keep below it. The below one is only for the audio, like whatever audio you have. Like if you record your video and audio separately, you can add it over here. So this is the basics, and this is your volume settings. Whether you want your volume to be high or low, you can set it here. And this is the previewer. Whatever you have edited, it will be available to watch in this space. So this is the place where you export. This is the place where you see the preview, and these are the video panels above and the voice panels below. Here as you can see, audio, they have some inbuilt audio effects, some tiles where you keep your openers like welcome to our video and etc. And you can download some external files if you want. And the next are the transitions. Here are the default transitions which come with the FILMORA 9, and you can download some if you want to. Here are the effects, like you want to add some blur or 70s effect like that, you can do it. And here elements are like you want to add some symbols which are animated, you can add them like this. This gets downloaded, and as you can see, it looks something like this. These are the elements. And if you want to cut, like if you want to cut only screen, click on this split screen and you press this cut button. You can whether move it up or down. I'll keep it here. If you want to cut only this, or okay, let's take a simple one. If you want to cut only this element, like which shows to like the video, you just click on it and click cut. It cuts only this. And if you want to delete this or this part, you click on any part. I'll click on this and press delete. That's it. It is so easy. But what if you want to cut all these together? The trick is you give a left click and hold and drag, select all of these, and then come to the place where you want to cut it and just click on this. Now I'll press delete. So as you can see, all of these are in the order, and you can cut all of these together. So for example, if you want to add any of these styles, I'll take it and I'll add it over here. And when you see the text on this style, what you do is double click on the text, and then this box appears. You can select your font over here, or you can just delete the bottom text by clicking backspace, and then again double click on the upper one and type whatever you want. For example, I'll type hello. So then click OK, or you can change the text styles the font size, the alignment, all those you can do it here, the color of the text, all those. So click on OK, and then now if you see it, it looks something like this. So friends, after you do all of this, you just click this button. This button means render. As you can see here, there is a thin red line over here. It means there is some difficulty in watching the preview. So you just click on it so that this red line turns into green. And as soon as the render is done, you can see the red line is changed into the green one. So now if you want to export this, how do you do that? Just left click on this export button and here choose the location and set the name. Here in my case, let it be this location. The video name is 57, and settings, the FPS I'll keep it on 59.94 and the resolution 3840 into 2160. Click on OK and here click on export. So the export will be done and you can watch your video in your destination. So friends, I think this video has helped you. If it did, so please do like, share and subscribe, and like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.